How to edit ChatGPT images in Canva. Got an image from ChatGPT. Let's polish it in Canva for post thumbnails or presentations. So first, go ahead and open up ChatGPT and then download the image and then head over to Canva. And then from here, go ahead and create a design and upload your ChatGPT image. So from here, click on this create button. So for example, I want to create a thumbnail from that photo. So I'll simply select YouTube thumbnail from here. And this would take me to my canvas. So into this section, click on this uploads button at the left side of your screen. Select upload files and then select the photo, and then it would be uploaded then on your Canva files gallery. So click on it to add this to your canvas. Now from here, you can go ahead and resize and position your image to match your format, Instagram, YouTube, or slides, and then use background tools. You can use the background remover tool to remove the background of this specific image. So you can use this if you're actually a Canva Pro user. So you just need to simply click on this blur BG remover and that would then be removed. You can adjust brightness and contrast to refine the look of your image. So you can edit this by clicking on edit at the top and then select adjust and then go ahead and edit it from here. Now, you can add text, icons, or shapes. This makes your image engaging and ready for social media. Save your design as a PNG or JPEG. Canva makes editing ChatGPT images simple, flexible, and professional. And that is how you can simply edit ChatGPT images in Canva.